To add a video capture device such as a capture card or camera to your scene, click the plus at the bottom of the Sources dock. Then select Video Capture Device. Give a name to this source. If you have more than one camera attached to your computer, you can select which device you'd like to use. You can also change settings such as the camera's resolution, but for now we'll keep everything at default. In the same scene, add a text source by clicking the plus at the bottom of the Sources dock. Select Text GDI Plus. On a Mac, this will be labeled Text Free Type 2. Then give a name to this source. We're now able to edit the text that will appear, the font style, color, opacity, background color, and so forth. The chat log mode option can be ignored, as this is a streaming-only element. After you type in your text, I'd recommend adding some spaces after. I'll also change the background opacity to 50%. If done correctly, you'll have your text appear in your scene. If you don't see it, this may be because the text source is placed underneath your camera. Similar to other editing software like Photoshop, OBS uses a layering functionality, meaning that sources will appear on top of each other in the order from top to bottom that they're placed in the Sources dock. Note that this is not the case for the Scenes dock, however. Now that we have our text on screen, we can use filters to edit its behavior and have it scroll like a ticker. Select the text source and click Filters just above the Sources dock. At the bottom of the Filters window, click the plus button and select Scroll. We'll name this filter Scroll. Adjust the horizontal speed to 200 and make sure the loop option is selected. You now have a scrolling ticker in your scene. In the next video, we'll learn how to start and use our virtual camera.